Yo, I go by the name of S1.
It's your boy Lonestarrmuzik.
And we're in the cut with Producergrind. So the way we got the beat to Lil Xan was actually my manager, Big Up's Fake Work, and that's DJ, and my man Stat Quo. They managed Lil Xan as well. So Stat called me one day and he was like, yo, I'm in the studio with Xan, we need some joints from you. So zipped up a batch for him and sent it over to him, and about 45 minutes later, he texted me, and then he FaceTimed me, and it was him and Xan in the studio, and they had the beat playing, and they was already recording. They was like, yo, we got one.
I'll say by the bell, yeah. I'll say by the bell, yeah. I'll say by the bell, I'll say by the bell, yeah.
About to get into this Saved by the Bell track that me and S did on Lil Xan's album. So
Dessert.
Yeah, man, I'm about to break this mother down and show you everything, the process, you know, all that. So, man, first and foremost, we started out, man, I think I had found a sample that was in the homies Oshi and Chris's sample pack. Shout out to Film Noir, you know what I'm talking about.
Sure.
So started out with this melody right here. So I love the feel of it, you know what I'm saying? I was like, yeah, that shit feel right, you know what I'm talking about? So I just threw it in there, and so after I laid down the melody, you know what I'm saying, I laid the snare pattern down on top of it, you know what I'm saying, to give it a little bit of movement and energy. You know, found the groove with the made the feel solid with the snare pattern, and then followed behind that with the kick drum pattern. Just kept it simple and sweet, you know what I'm saying? Nothing real too open. Much, real open, youthful, you know what I'm saying? Good feel. After that, I had added in some open hats, you know what I'm saying? And you know, kept the movement going. Yeah. Just simple, you know. Then after that, added in a little clap, a little smooth little clap. You know what I'm saying?
Just notice too, like everything is filling its own space. So as you can see, the kick is hitting at a different time than the snare, and the snare is hitting at a different time than the clap, and so everything has its own individual space. It's not a lot of things overlapping. You know, that's what creates